Unlock the power of targeted campaigns by mastering your lead organization within Batchleads, starting with creating a brand new list. First things first, navigate to your Batchleads dashboard. You'll want to find the main navigation panel and click on the Lists section within the Lists area. Look for the prominent button that says Create New List, and give that a click. A pop-up window will appear, and the very first step is to give your new list a meaningful name. Think about what this list will represent. A circumflex euros. Perhaps it's for a specific marketing campaign, a particular geographic area, or a unique lead source. Type your chosen name into the list name field clearly. Once you're satisfied, click Next. Now comes the crucial part of refining your list. You'll see a variety of filter options available. These are your tools for intelligent segmentation. You can filter by location, specific property types, owner demographics, and much more. Take your time here to set the filters that will accurately define the leads you want to include in this particular list. The more precise you are, the more effective your campaigns will be. With your filters set, it's time to populate your list. Batchleads offers several ways to do this. You can upload a CSV file containing your lead data directly. Alternatively, if you have existing data sources connected, you can select those. Choose the method that best suits your current data situation and follow the on-screen prompts to import your leads. Once your data is imported and processed, you'll usually see a confirmation. Your new, meticulously organized list will now appear in your main list management area. Properly managing your lists like this is the bedrock of efficient lead nurturing and strategic campaign targeting, ensuring you avoid overlaps and optimize every communication. Stay organized, stay targeted.